Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This channel is about luxury things for a typical working family woman like me. If this sounds interesting to you, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. For today's video, I will be unboxing a vintage piece from Louis Vuitton, the Trousse Toilette 28 or simply Trousse 28. I know there are lots of videos, unboxings, review about the Trousse 28, but I am here to show you something special, more special. If you would like to know what it is, please keep on watching. I saw this posted by a Japan-based seller on one of the Facebook groups. To be honest, I don't have any plan of getting this piece, but when I saw it and saw something, I know I have to have it. So let's open this up, shall we? Let's go ahead and pull her up. The seller has put carton board around it, which is good to have it protected during shipping. Okay, I'm so excited to see how it looks in person. It was love at first sight when I saw it on screen, and now it's finally here. So let's go and open her up. And here it is, my vintage Trousse Toilette 28. This is actually made pretty gold, so it means that this piece is actually 39 years old or even older. Ooh, the zipper works good, and let's go ahead and give her a little shape. This is in really good condition. It does have some marks on it, which is fine. It was declared by the seller, so I already expected that. The elastic bands are still tight. Overall, it's clean. And the smell, well, it's okay for me. It's tolerable. The smell is what you would expect from a vintage bag. So overall, interior is okay for me. I have no complaint or whatsoever. So now let's have a look on the exterior. I always see similar items for sale as this one, but as I mentioned earlier, there's something special on this piece that made me want to have it because I think it is unique. I hope you're seeing it already, but we'll get into that later. As far as the canvas is concerned, I see that it is not that bright as the new ones, of course, but I like it. It gives more character to this piece. It's like screaming, I am vintage. Okay, the canvas looks good to me. I don't see any cracks, no rubs. All the corners are good. No exposed pipings. The canvas is a little stiff, but with some TLC and use, it will soften over time. Here's the closer look. As you see, all the corners are still fine. I hope by now you know what's something special on this piece. Do you see that canvas attached to the zipper pull? It is rare to see Trousse with this original canvas still attached to the zipper pull. I need to be very careful though because the canvas here is very dry and weak and I think it can snap with a little bit of force. Here's the zipper, another polishing job for me. I think it has become my pastime to clean my vintage bags. I will soon share with you how I clean it, so please stay tuned. It has always been fascinating to see the transformation of vintage bags after it has been cleaned. I hope I can make the canvas a little brighter with some cleaning and conditioning. It is also satisfying to see how the zipper becomes shinier once it is polished. It looks totally different from as it is before. Do you also have Trousse 28? How do you use it? Please let me know. I need some ideas because as I mentioned, this is an unplanned purchase, so I am really thinking on how and where I can use this for. By the way, let me show you its little sister, Trousse 23. As you can see, the canvas of the Trousse 23 is brighter compared to the 28. So here they are, side by side. I already cleaned these Trousse 23, so as you see, the zipper is a lot shinier than the 28. And now let me show you the cutest of them all. Here is the Trousse 18. The Trousse family was made only on 3 sizes, the 28, the 23, and 18, and I'm so happy that I got all of them. And what's more special is all of these are pre-day code. So imagine these 3 little pieces are all older than me. Even though these 3 pieces were made at the same time and obviously by Louis Vuitton, look how they look different as compared to each other. It just simply tells that it lived a very different life from each other. Imagine after all these years, they do still look good and gorgeous and very functional and like it's just made yesterday. If you would like to see comparison video between the Trousse family, please do let me know by commenting down below. I hope you like this unboxing video and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I have so many LV goodies that I want to share with you, so I hope to see you on my next one. Stay happy, stay safe, and remember, we deserve some love.